Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs.
Here is an Okuma DC power supply sent in by a machining shop. These power supplies are used in several Okuma lathe systems and powers the servo drive that controls the spindle motor. This unit had failed due to its age and amount of wear from usage. We rebuilt and completely refurbished the unit to make sure it lasts as long as possible, and then tested it on our own linear load to make sure it powers up correctly. ERD has been repairing Okuma units for over 2 decades, so if your unit is in need of repair, call today for your quote.